Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're looking at what we believe is the best sewing kit for home emergency repairs. The JUNING sewing kit with black case. Whether you're a beginner, traveler, or just someone who needs a reliable kit at home, this compact powerhouse may just be the perfect addition to your drawer. Let's dive into what makes this kit so versatile. First up, this sewing kit includes a whopping 42 spools of thread in a wide variety of colors. Whether you need to match a black button, fix a colorful seam, or patch up your jeans, you're covered. One thing to keep in mind though, the thread colors are randomized, so while you get plenty of options, the exact shades you receive may vary from what's shown online. Alongside the thread, the kit includes sharp tailor's scissors, a soft flexible measuring tape, multiple hand needles, needle threaders, buttons, safety pins, a thimble, and more. These aren't just filler items, they're actual, practical tools that serve their purpose well, whether it's replacing a torn hem or stitching up a bag on the go. Everything comes packed in a black zippered case that feels surprisingly sturdy. The interior is organized with elastic bands holding each component in place, so nothing moves around when you're carrying it. This makes it great not just for home use, but also for throwing into a travel bag or keeping in the car for on-the-go fixes. Let's talk about usability. Even if you've never sewed before, this kit is extremely beginner-friendly. There's no complicated gear here, just the essentials laid out neatly and intuitively. Within minutes, you'll be able to thread a needle, cut a length of thread, and patch up a ripped sleeve. The scissors are sharp, the tape measure rolls back easily, and the needles come in different sizes for different types of fabric. And the portability factor is huge. Whether you're a college student, a frequent traveler, or someone who likes to be prepared for anything, this kit slips easily into backpacks, glove compartments, or bedside drawers. The compact design doesn't sacrifice content. Everything is included without making the case bulky or messy. At under $10 for the 42 thread XL version, the value here is unbeatable. It offers more components than many higher-priced alternatives and still keeps things simple and effective. This isn't a pro tailor's kit, but it's perfect for what it's meant to be, a reliable, convenient, and complete sewing solution for everyday emergencies. So if you're looking for a compact, affordable, and fully stocked sewing kit that can handle just about any quick fix, the JUNING sewing kit deserves a spot in your home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hands-on product breakdowns. See you in the next one.